Hey guys, John here, salesman over at the Byrider Green Bay location. I want to take a minute and tell you why it's important to keep your wiper blades changed. So you don't think about them very often unless you're using them, but nothing more annoying than having bad wiper blades. When it's raining and you're just knocking the water around instead of knocking it off, nobody likes that. Keeping your wiper blades changed increases your visibility when it does rain, or when there's anything on your windshield, and it keeps you safe. Another thing it does is keeps your vehicle from getting damaged. You ever see those big scratches in a windshield where somebody didn't replace the wiper blades like they should have? You don't want that to happen. The more scratches on your windshield, the less you can see through it, and the more likely it could crack or chip. So keeping your wiper blades changed is a very good thing to do, so I recommend doing it before the winter. Always helps with getting all that ice off as well. So any questions, feel free to give us a call here at 920-455-7788 or stop in and visit us here at location anytime. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.